Hello everyone, good morning. All the students of class 5 are welcome to this online class on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. I hope all of you are fine. I'm also fine by the grace of Allah. All the students of class 5 are welcome to this online class. And you are welcome to Joyce Home Learning Point, Joyce Islamic Studies. Everybody, Happy New Year. Yes, Happy New Year 2021. As per we have passed 2020 through a struggle, and this struggle was for our life, for our study, for our education, for everything. So after passing a year, once again we have got a new year. Allah the Exalted has given us this year. So let's take this year as a blessing. Though we have started once again our process of learning through internet or online process. So boys, the students of class 5, I'd like to thank you all for joining this class. And I'd like to welcome once again, because we are very beginner. I think we have started earlier than others, so it's our opportunity to learn more and in a befitting way. Today in this inauguration class, I'd like to say some rules and regulations for some process or procedures. So I think you should watch this video attentively and write down some rules which we should follow all the year round. First of all, we have to complete our syllabus and we shall proceed according to our institutional syllabus. So I think everybody have a particular syllabus that is given by the institution, or that was given by the institution, I mean St. Gregory's High School and College. And gradually we shall complete our syllabus: first terminal examination, second terminal examination, and third terminal examination, like this. So as it is divided in 3 portions, so first of all we shall complete our first terminal examination portion. So boys, our first terminal examination have also some particular portions, like we have some quizzes, I mean quiz examination before our terminal examination. So for this quiz, we have to take preparation separately, and we provide some CWs and SWs. So also we have to perform, we have to complete, or we have to accomplish our CW and SW accordingly. And for this very purpose, we need to manage, or we need to keep separate 2 copies. Yes, how many copies? 2 copies. One is CW copy, another is for HW copy. So for CW and HW, classwork and homework, classwork and homework, we must have separate copies. We must have separate copies for CW and HW. In this regard, I'd like to request and I'd like to remind you all, please do not make your works in a single copy. You should not work in a single copy. CW copy, all the SW and CW copy. Please make it different, make it separate, and perform it separately. After telling repeatedly, some boys are doing this mistake repeatedly. That is the matter of laugh or matter of regret, whatever you say. Sometimes we are telling it repeatedly, please keep your separate copy for CW and SW, but ultimately whenever we are actually calling you, or whenever we call our students to submit their copies, CW and SW, they cannot submit it accordingly because either they have lost it, either they have kept all in one. That is not exactly right, and that should not be. Actually, we should keep our CW and SW copies separate like this. CW for classwork, SW for homework. So please keep two copies separately for separate works, and take care of this copy also. And also I'd like to say, please join each and every class, attend each and every class, and do the classworks and homeworks accordingly. And whenever we call you to submit those copies, I think you will be able to submit those copies in a befitting way, inshallah, and we will get good marks also. So for this very purpose, don't forget to keep your copies separate and carefully. So dear students, today we are talking about our classes and process. Here I'd like to say you to be serious, to be attentive, and to be punctual from the very beginning of the year. If you be that and if you do accordingly, according to your teacher's suggestion, then I think it will be very easier for you to solve each and every problems, and you will get easily everything. In this regard, we shall help you. So, for getting help, you can contact with us through online, offline, anyway. We shall help you, inshallah. And today I'd like to say the first chapter. Yes, this is the first chapter, or the headline of this chapter is Al-Aqaid. Al-Aqaid. Aqaid means faith. Aqaid means faith. We know Allah the Exalted has created us, and we the human being are the best creation among the creations of Allah the Exalted. So as per Allah has created us the best creation, so we should be grateful to Allah the Exalted in this regard, and we should keep on shukriya always. So Al-Aqaid means faith. First of all, this chapter 1 denotes the introduction to Allah the Exalted, introduction of Allah the Exalted, and it also tells us that we should keep faith in Allah the Exalted only. So this is the inauguration class. I think we should not elongate anymore. Here I'd like to end. So before ending, I'd like to pray for you all to the Almighty Allah, so that you can keep your health in a befitting way and remain well until the next class. Before that, I'd like to suggest you to subscribe this channel, Joy's Islamic Studies. Please subscribe this channel to get update earlier than others. Thanks very much once again for joining this class.